Epoxyset specializes in custom formulations for new and demanding applications required for today's dynamic products. Our expert team has years of experience in formulating engineered adhesives and potting compounds for the electronics, medical device, power component, and optical industries. We understand a standard off-the-shelf product may not work for your application. Our sales engineers and chemists will work with you to deliver a product that will meet your technical and processing needs. Our product development laboratory is fully equipped to test a variety of physical, thermal, and processing characteristics. Our team works directly with yours, delivering epoxy, urethane, UV cure, and silicone materials that balance performance, usability, and cost. From formulation to final product, we can pilot up production quickly, ensuring no delays. Contact us and let Epoxyset deliver a product tailor-made for you.